Once upon a time, high up in the sky, there was a little cloud named Coco. All the big clouds around him could make rain, thunder, and even snow. But no matter how hard he tried, Coco couldn't make a single drop of rain. "Just puff up and let it out," said Thundercloud Tom. "I'm trying," Coco squeaked, puffing himself up until he looked like a cotton ball. But still, no rain. Coco felt sad. "Maybe I'll never be a real cloud," he whispered. One day, a little flower on the ground looked up and said, "Hi, cloud. I'm very thirsty." Coco wanted to help more than anything. He closed his eyes, held his breath, and pushed with all his might. Suddenly, plop, 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 3 tiny raindrops fell. The flower smiled. "Thank you. That was just what I needed." From then on, Coco didn't worry about being the biggest or loudest cloud. He knew even a little rain could make a big difference. And so, Coco floated happily across the sky, helping one flower at a time. The end.